Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix Google couldn't sign you in problem. Okay, now if you try to sign in to your Google account, make sure that you type out all of the information correctly. For example, your password. Make sure that all of the letters that you have typed out in the password box is correct, especially your email, because even if there is only one letter is incorrect, still you cannot proceed to the next step in opening your Google account. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to remember. Now the second thing is, when you try to open your Google account in your web browser, okay, so you'll be able to see this page here. Okay, so you just have to type out your email here. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this page. Okay, now when we try to tap on our profile picture at the top corner of the top right corner of our screen, and we are going to see this kind of warning. Okay, so thanks for confirming that you can access the contact email address that you provided. Unfortunately, blah blah blah, verify that blah 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 belongs to you. Okay, so maybe there is also a problem about the verification process. Okay, so make sure that you use a right phone number or a right email when verifying your account. Okay, now when we go back to our web browser and then tap on our profile picture at the top right corner of our screen, okay, and then tap on sign in, we can be able to see the forgot email or forgot password. Now that is one of the ways in order to recover your account. Okay, so you just have to tap on it and then type out all the details that you need in order to open your Google account. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye.